Hello everybody, Ryan again. I'm here and I'm going to be talking about my ffmpeg script that I am using to record my videos. I'm going to talk about some stuff I have been trying in the scripts that hasn't worked and some stuff that has worked. And hopefully some people will have some insights they can add into the comments about why what I'm trying isn't working. So let's just move me up a little bit here so we can see the scripts. This is the first script here. It is ffmpeg using my AMD GPU for hardware acceleration, and this is pulse audio. I'm having a problem with pulse audio where it starts taking up just all of my memory if I try to use it for the audio, so I have to use alsa. And for pulse audio, if you don't do the thread queue size here, the video quality is super laggy. I have that script over here without the thread queue size set, and I'm just going to be showing a few sample videos I got of these for the video quality and the resource intensity. And I'm going to go over some of the findings I've been having. Let me just restart this. Alright. So the first script is going to be showing the output of pulse with vaapi and no thread queues. And I'm just going to stop talking and let the other Ryan talk now. Alright, this is a test to show the resource intensity and data usage of the first script, pulse audio with vaapi and no thread queues. You can see it is at 60, and the resource intensity is not too high because there are no thread queues. We'll see how the video quality. Alright, and as you can see, without thread queues, which again is this script here that I was running, there are, like, the volume comes in fine, but the video is incredibly laggy. So all we do is we change it and we add thread queue size equals 512. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. And I'll let Ryan take over from here. Alright, this is the test of vaapi with pulse audio with thread queues enabled to show resource intensity and video quality. So as you can see, with thread queues, it is starting at 2 gigs and it just goes up from there. It goes up to 3 very quickly, and it will eventually, I've seen it get up to 6, and I just have no idea how to stop this. Alright. Now, the third one we're going to take a look at here is, this is just Luke Smith's ffmpeg script that he uses. Since he uses such old computers a lot of the time, I assumed this would be pretty low resource intensity. So I went ahead and I threw pulse audio in here. Again, this just doesn't work at all without the thread queues, so I'm not even going to bother showing that again. I'm just going to show that this still has high resource intensity even with Luke Smith's low resource script, just adding the pulse audio and the thread queues. Alright, this is a test to show video quality and resource intensity of ffmpeg without vaapi using pulse audio and thread queues. So as you can see, even without the vaapi, we start off with 2 gigs and going up from there, and this is because pulse audio with the thread queues. Alright, so that was pulse audio with thread queues, and I believe I have one more here. This is the script that I've actually ended up recording my videos with, I believe. This is just for my Radeon. I'm not sure I actually need to do this anymore because my driver name already comes up as Radeon SI, but it can't hurt to preset, so I'm just going to go ahead and keep doing that. And I set my hardware Excel mode to vaapi and declare my vaapi device. And then just, again, if you whatever name you have here for your hardware Excel, you're going to have again here for the output. Again, that's just going to be vaapi for me. I've tried kernel mode setting grab for my thing, but I can't seem to get it to work. Let me see if it's in my recent thing. Yeah, this uses KMS grab. Or no, that's I was testing out a different audio thing there. This one uses KMS grab, and you'll see that for this I get pipe argument invalid, no usable. Oh, that's something else I tried. Couldn't figure out my control number, so I just gave up. But yeah, we get pipe argument invalid, no handle buffer set. So if anybody knows anything about kernel mode setting grab, I would love to try that out. But until then, I'm just using this. The probe size just helps it ffmpeg do something with the frames. And then I'm using alsa. I have to use the sysdefault card because Pulse is using my default, and I'm using the HEVC vaapi V codec because I read that it produces similar quality to the H264 for less resource intensity, and I found that to be true, so I've just gone ahead and used that because I don't have the most powerful computer in the world. But yeah, there we go. That's been my ffmpeg journey so far. If anyone knows anything about my pulse problem, that'd be great. If anything knows anything about my kernel mode setting problem, that'd be great. And this is my current script for ffmpeg with vaapi on alsa, if it helps anybody out. Alright, well, that's been me, guys. Later.